So we've got this Portronics 12 volt SoundDrum 1 portable Bluetooth speakers. It contains one speaker, one charging cable and one user manual. Its MRP is 2,499, but we got it in 829 rupees. So let's unbox it. Whoa. And okay, let's switch it on.
Power on. Get ready to go to the future. Bluetooth mode. Your device is ready to pair.
Connect it with your Bluetooth.
You are now connected to your SoundDrum 1.
Now let's try and play it. That's the max. Overall, a good product.